4 shows 3 overlapping triangles, and they say that the green region, which is that outside shaded region, is equal to the area of the inside square. And it says, what's the relation between x and y? Well, to get the area of the green, what we're going to do is we're going to take that length of this square, so that's going to be an x plus y plus 3 square. We're going to square that, so that's what I have here over here. And we're going to then take away the next smaller square, which is an x plus y square. So that's what we have here. And that's going to give us the area shaded in green. Then we're going to make that equal to the x square area, the yellow area, and there's our relationship. What we should do after this, though, is we should expand this out and simplify this expression. So when we expand this out, I'm going to distribute this. So I'm going to end up with, distribute the x first, so x squared plus xy plus 3x plus, get rid of that, distribute the y this time. I'm going to end up with xy plus y squared plus 3y, and then distribute 3. I get 3x plus 3y plus 9, and then I'm going to subtract, actually we'll group that, and then we're going to subtract the x plus y squared. So I'm going to end up with x squared plus xy times xy plus xy, or 2xy plus y squared. And that's going to be all equal to x. So I can simplify this out. There are terms that are going to cancel, so I've got some common x squareds here that can cancel. Since that's a minus x squared and that's a plus x squared, I've got a couple xy's here and here. Those are 2xy's that will cancel with this minus positive 2xy's. I've got a y squared and a y squared that'll cancel. And it looks like that's it. So then I'll combine like terms on the left hand side. I'm going to be left with 6x's plus 6y's, it looks like, plus 9 1's, and that's going to be equal to x squared. So I can make this equal to 0 and leave it in that general form. So I can end up with minus 6y minus, actually I'm going to write it like this, minus 6x minus 6y minus 9. Okay, so if I want to simplify this, or I write, this is a parabola, so if I want to write this in the parabola form, it's a parabola, vertical parabola, so I'm going to make it y equals, so I end up with x squared minus 6x minus y, or sorry, minus 9, and then I could divide this all by 6, so we have a leading coefficient of 1 over 6, and if we want to complete the square, we can. In fact, we might as well complete the square, so I'm going to go plus 9 minus 9, and then that plus 9 was used to complete the square. So I'm going to make sure that I balance that with the 1.5, or 9 over 6. So I'm going to subtract 9 over 6, and there's our vertex form. Okay, I'm just going to make sure that that's going to be balancing that other term there, and then we have our vertex form. So it's going to be a parabola centered at positive 3, and it looks like the vertex is going to be at negative 10.5, or we'll just write that as 21 over 2. And so if we graph, it says graph the relation between x and y. There it is. I've graphed that parabola. There's our vertex. It's going to be at 3 and negative, it looks like 10.5. So that's not 10.5 because we need to divide that by 6. And we end up with a vertex at -3. Okay, so there's our vertex at +3, -3. Our vertex is going to be right there.